Welcome back to my channel, that is Online Educator. Now today we are going to study about the circle. You will be knowing about what is circle, what are the different parts of the circle. So let's continue, and if you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, okay? So let's start. Now what is this? It's a circle. It's a circle. You can see this. It's a circle. Whenever we draw a circle, we used to draw like this, right? So it's a circle, round circle. Now, how to draw the circle with the help of compass? हम किससे circle बनाते हैं? With the help of compass, right? Now see, what are the parts of circle? The important parts of circle is center. When we make a circle, for example, जब हमने circle बना दिया, so what are the things which is required to put it over here? सर्कल बनाने के बाद जहाँ पे हमने ये निडल रखी है, दिस निडल, जहाँ पे हमारा सेंटर पॉइंट होता है, दैट इज मीन्स इट रिप्रेजेंट द निडल. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा डॉट बन जाता है निडल के हेल्प से, तो दैट इज योर सेंटर. हमेशा वही सेंटर होगा, इस चीज़ का याद रखना है. एंड फ्रॉम सेंटर वी मेक द radius, right? You can see here, this is the center and this is radius. These two things are required whenever you draw the circle. जब भी आप circle बनाओ, just represent this with the help of center and radius. It's required, otherwise your marks will be deducted whenever in your exam you are giving the test or exam. So center is where you see the needle. जहाँ पे हम needle set करते हैं, that is your center. And radius you can make anywhere from center to circumference. Circumference means the boundary of a circle. Circle की boundary पे आपका ये this is not radius. देखो ये touch नहीं हुआ, so it is not radius. Radius ये तभी बनेगा जब ये touch होगा boundary, right? These are the radius. There are different, बहुत सारे radius होते हैं. There are unlimited radius. See, right? And we represent radius with small r, right? And center we represent by O, capital letter O. Now see, you know now radius and center. Now what is diameter? Diameter means it just do the half, okay? Circle को half करता है, just do it equally divide the circle. Diameter means आपका ये पूरा जो सबसे बिगेस्ट कॉर्ड होता है, दैट इज योर डायमीटर. डायमीटर इज द बिगेस्ट कॉर्ड. एंड व्हाट इज कॉर्ड? कॉर्ड मीन्स जब सर्कमफरेंस पे, वेट लेट मी चेंज द इंक कलर, ओके. नाउ जब भी हमारा कोई भी दो पॉइंट पे, ठीक है, हम जब इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं, दीज ऑल दीज आर कॉर्ड्स. ये सब क्या है? Chord है, but the biggest chord is diameter. Diameter is the biggest chord. Clear? And it divides the circle in two halves. See, this is the one part and this is the second part. It divides the circle in two equal parts. Diameter can be represented in two ways. Now see, there are two diameters in a circle. One like this and one like this. One is horizontal, one is vertical, right? So this is diameter. Now what is circumference? As I was talking about, boundary is called circumference. This boundary of a circle is called the circumference. Now you know this is center, this is radius, and this boundary is called circumference. Now what is arc, segment and sector? What is arc? Whenever A, B, C, three alphabets is used to represent the arc. Arc has 3 points on the circumference. Circumference पे 3 dots होंगे. It can be of minor arc or major arc. दो तरह के arc होते हैं. Now I am showing you. See, let me use the different color. Now see, this अगर हम यहाँ की बात करें, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, दिस इज माइनर आर्क. एंड इफ वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग दीज थ्री डॉट्स, राइट, सो A, B and C, this is P, Q, R. So this is minor, this is major. जो बड़ा है that is major, जो छोटा है that is minor, right? Now what is segment? Segment is the part of a circle. Circle में एक छोटा part which the two ends join at the circumference, and this part is called segment. And sector is like, अगर हम ये बात करते हैं 1/4 1/2, ठीक है, जब हम फ्रैक्शन पढ़ते हैं, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेक्टर. ये पूरा एरिया क्या होगा? सेक्टर. गॉट इट? नाउ द मेन थिंग विच यू शुड नो, दैट इज सेंटर, विच यू नो इट वेरी वेल. रेडियस, diameter, chord, circumference. This is the basic requirement to know about the circle. All right. And now how to represent these things? और इनके alphabets क्या है? For circumference we write capital C. For circumference we write capital C. For radius we write small r. For diameter we write capital D. And for the center we represent it with capital O. Got it? These are the short forms. Now this is what? This is what? This is a semicircle. This is what? Semicircle. This is your semicircle. Semicircle means the circle which is divided from half. The half part is called semicircle. Now semicircle has also radius. It has a center point, you can see here, and this is the radius. We represent radius with small r. Got it? So that's much is only for today. You should understand what are these things. That is very much important. And please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.